Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn what we mean by a mobile-friendly website, its SEO best practices, and why it is crucial. A mobile-friendly website is a website that is optimized for viewing and interacting with. This means the website's layout, content, and images are all designed to be easily read and used on a small screen. From an SEO point of view, a mobile-friendly website is important because Google now uses mobile-first indexing. This means that Google primarily uses the mobile version of a website's content to rank pages from that site, regardless of whether the user is accessing the website from a mobile device or a desktop computer. There are several things you can do to make your website mobile-friendly, including using a responsive design. A responsive design is a website design that automatically adjusts its layout to fit the screen size of the device it is being viewed on. This ensures your website looks good and functions properly on all devices, regardless of screen size. Optimizing your images. Images can make your website look more visually appealing, but they can also slow down the loading time of your website. Use smaller file sizes and alt text to optimize your images for mobile. Improving your page loading time. A slow loading time can be a major turnoff for mobile users. To improve your page loading time, you should minify your code, use a content delivery network, CDN, and optimize your images. You can watch a full video about improving page speed on my YouTube channel. I added the link in the description box. Make your navigation easy to use. Your website should be easy to use on mobile devices. This means using large buttons and clear labels. Avoiding pop-ups and interstitials. Pop-ups and interstitials can annoy and disrupt mobile users. To avoid losing visitors, you should refrain from using these on your website. By following these tips, you can make your website mobile-friendly and improve your chances of ranking well in Google search results. Here are some additional benefits of having a mobile-friendly website. Increase user engagement. Mobile users are more likely to stay on and interact with a website that is easy to use and navigate. Improve conversion rates. A mobile-friendly website can help you increase your conversion rates by making it easier for users to take action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Better SEOs. As mentioned earlier, Google now uses mobile-first indexing, so having a mobile-friendly website can help you improve your search engine ranking. If you need a mobile-friendly website or are unsure if your current website is mobile-friendly, there are a few tools you can use to check. Google has a mobile-friendly testing tool that you can use to test your website's mobile usability. You can also use a tool like PageSpeed Insights to measure your website's loading speed on mobile devices. Making your website mobile-friendly is an important step in improving your website's SEO and user experience. By following the tips above, you can create a mobile-friendly website that will help you attract and retain more mobile users. If you want to learn more about SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos. I hope you found this video useful. See you around.